Students, today we will continue with the lesson Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. That is the fourth portion. Please take page number 68. Getting off the train at Ranchi next morning, he realized at once that he had never been there before. So he went to Ranchi and getting off the station, he reached the station Ranchi. So when he reached there, he realized that he had never come to Ranchi. He came out of the station, took a taxi and drove around the town for a while. He realized that the streets and buildings, the hotel, the bazaars and the Morbadi hills. So he went all over the places, that is where? Town, then hotels, buildings, bazaars, everywhere, and Morbadi hills, the hills over there. With none of these had been the slightest acquaintance. So here he went all over there, but he didn't find any acquaintance, means familiarity, because if he had gone there, he would have recognized those places. Would a trip to Horlu Hills fall? He didn't believe, but at the same time, he didn't wish to leave with the feeling that he didn't try enough. So he arranged for a car and left for Horlu in the afternoon. So he was thinking, we'll go to the Horlu, because he didn't want to miss the chance whether he had gone over there. He wanted to find out whether he had gone over there. So he didn't want to miss the chance. So he took a taxi and went to Horlu Hills. At 5 o'clock the same afternoon in Horlu, two Gujarati gentlemen from a group of picnickers discovered Bipin Babu lying unconscious behind a boulder. So at the same day afternoon, two picnickers, means two people who came for picnic over there, found Bipin Babu lying on the ground. When he came around, the first thing Bipin Babu said was, I am finished, I have no hope left. So when he was conscious, the first word he told is, I don't have any hope, I am finished. Next morning, Bipin Babu was back in Calcutta. He realized that there was truly no hope for him. Soon he would lose everything, his will to work, his confidence, his ability, his balance of mind. So he was thinking that I can't remember anything, so I am totally lost, I will lose my job, everything. I am going to lose my confidence, my ability, my balance of mind, and was going to end up in asylum. Asylum means a place where old people are kept. Bipin Babu couldn't think anymore. Back home, he rang up Dr. Chanda and asked him to come over. So he reached home and he is calling Dr. Chanda. Then after a shower, he got into the bed with an ice bag clamped on his head. So he was having some headache, so he was keeping an ice bag on his head. And just then the servant brought him a letter which someone had left in the letter box. So at that time, the servant brought a letter which was put in the letter box. A greenish envelope with his name in red on it. So it was a green color envelope. On it with the red pen it was written Bipin Babu. After the name it said urgent and confidential. So under that it was written urgent and confidential. Confidential means no one must read this, only Bipin Babu is to read. It is a secret letter. In spite of his condition, Bipin Babu had a feeling that he ought to go through the letter. So it was not at all well, but also he wanted to read that letter. He tore open the envelope and took out the letter. This is what he read. So he opened the letter and he took out the letter. Opened the envelope. He tore the envelope and took out the letter. And this was the letter. Dear Bipin, I had no idea what affluence would bring about the kind of change in that it had done. So it was written, I don't know what change, what influence have brought in your character. Was it so difficult for you to help an old friend down on his luck? It was written, was it so difficult? We are not able to help an old friend. Who is the old friend? Old friend is Chunila. I have no money and so my resources are limited. What I have is imagination, a part of which I used in the retribution of your unfeeling behavior. So I don't have money and so I am running out of So the only thing I have is some imagination that I have played a trick on you. So this is all done by who? Chunilal. Chunilal just trapped his friend, just made a joke of his friend. Well, you will be alright again now. A novel I have written is being considered by a publisher. If he likes it enough, I'll see me through the next few months. So, I have only some imagination, so I have written a novel. It will be published next week. So, yours, Chunilal. So, what does this letter mean? Letter is written by Chunilal saying that the whole drama of forgetfulness was planned by Chunilal. When Dr. Chanda came, Bipin Babu said, I am fine. I all came back as soon as I got off the train at Ranchi. A unique case, said Dr. Chanda. So, here Bipin Babu is telling, I am now fine. When I came back, I got all the memories that I had lost. Now I can remember everything. I got off the train at Ranchi, a unique case, said Dr. Chanda. I shall certainly write about in my medical journal. So, Dr. Chanda is telling this is a unique case. No one is having such cases. So, I will write this in my medical journal. The reason why I sent for you, said Bipin Babu. So, why I have sent you is that I have a pain in the hip from a fall I had in Ranchi. So, I had a pain in my hip. Hip means this portion, back portion. If you could consider a painkiller. So, here Bipin Babu is telling, I want you to write a painkiller for me because my hip is hurting. So, this is the story. Hope you have understood the story. Do you think Bipin Babu has lost his memory? No. Bipin Babu has not lost his memory. It was a trick played by his friend Chunilal because Bipin Babu did not find him a good job. So this is all the story. Hope you have understood the lesson. So this lesson is over. Notes will be given in the WhatsApp. So we'll meet in the next class with a new lesson. Till then, goodbye. Take care.